Hi to everyone, I am Paulo Caicedo and I am going to talk about the main things to learn in weather and climate. The first things to learn is what is weather and what is climate. Weather is defined as the state of the atmosphere at some place and time, usually expressed in terms of temperature, air pressure, humidity, wind speed, and etc. And climate is a little bit easier because it's defined in terms of the average of weather elements over a specific period. And the other most important aspect is the difference between weather and climate. Weather refers to short-term atmospheric conditions, while climate is the weather of a specific region average over a long period of time. This means weather is short-term and climate is long-term. To read or try to predict weather and climate, we use proxy data and forecast climate and weather. Proxy data are therefore climate scientists can use weather data plus proxy data to help them identify previous trends to improve their prediction of future trends. And forecast climate and weather. Weather forecasts are made by collection quantitative data. Right now, we're going to talk about extreme weather. It's an unexpected weather event that are rare, which means that oftentimes there are very limited data available to use for the comparison to find a prediction in the future. The four main steps to water cycle are evaporation, transpiration, condensation, and precipitation. Right now, I'm talking about how the sun affects weather and climate in the ozone. It warms the atmosphere and the oceans. It creates climate zones. It keeps the weather cycle going. It affects weather patterns. And the ozone layers is a region of Earth, the stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. Climate change and the causes of climate change refers to a long-term shift in temperatures and weather patterns. This shift may be natural, but since 1,800 years, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, and the causes is increase of concentration of CO2, burning fossil fuels in cars, the industries, deforestation. The consequences of climate change are more frequent and intense drought, storm, heat waves, rising sea levels, melting glaciers, and warming oceans can directly harm animals, destroy the place they live, and wreak havoc on people's livelihoods and communities in general. For me, the most important thing of this video, global warming causes and consequences. The causes of global warming are heat trapping greenhouse gases and the Earth's climate, greenhouse gases, change in the Earth orbit and rotation, and volcanic activity. The consequences of all this are can result in many serious alterations to the environment, eventually impacting humanity. It can also cause a rise in sea level, leading to the loss of coastal land and a change in precipitation pattern. It is an appeal to think about a new Earth society and reject the prevalent anthropocentric paradigm. The anthropocentric view holds that as humans are the only living things with consciousness, values, and moral standards, they are the most significant and central aspect of it. Although many people prefer to equate more Earth right now with those of nature, this is a crucial distinction between the two because Mother Earth encompasses both humanity and nature, not just nature. Mother Earth is the totality, and nature is a component of the totality. And that's gonna be all of my presentation of this video. Thank you so much for being here and see my video. See you in a next time.